guys.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fantastic fine, my dear. So myself is Mr. B.H. Chauhan. I am basically from Tarana. At present time, we are in our coaching class. So guys, mostly so many problems is that कई लोगों की समस्या रहती है अंग्रेजी में हम बात कैसे करें. बट माय डियर, इंग्लिश इज सो मैनी इजी लैंग्वेज. अंग्रेजी इतनी आसान भाषा है कि एवरीबॉडी कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश प्रॉपर्ली. हर कोई इसे आसानी से बोल सकता है. बट माय डियर, मैं आपको कुछ 2 या 3 टिप्स बताना चाहूंगा हाउ टू डेवलप योर लैंग्वेज. नंबर 1. सो माय डियर, आप गलत बोलने के डर से आप बोल नहीं सकते. तो माय डियर, इस क्वेश्चन को आप बिल्कुल रिमूव कर दीजिए आपके दिमाग से. तब आप अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर सकेंगे. आप जब भी इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, आप जैसे भी इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, आप कहाँ भी इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, आप जहाँ भी इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, सब माय डियर, आप आज से 2 दिन बाद इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करें, आज से 2 साल बाद इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करें, आप 4 माह बाद इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करें, आप 2 मंथ बाद इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करें, आप कभी इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करेंगे, आपको इंग्लिश गलत से ही आपकी शुरुआत होगी. तो क्यों ना माय डियर, अभी से आप गलत इंग्लिश बोलकर एक अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने की शुरुआत करें. सो माय डियर, आई ट्राइड, मैंने कोशिश की है कुछ अच्छा सिखाने की बच्चों को. तो somebody is present here. So who will come here first?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
May I present?
Of course you can present, my dear. Yes, welcome. He is Sunil Badal from Tarana and he wants to present himself. So my dear, tell about yourself and show your present. Thank you so much.
Hi guys. Hi. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am very fantastic fine. So I tried to my level best.
Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yes.
Myself Sunil Gurjar and I am 14 year old. My father name is Kamal Badal and he is a farmer. And my mother name is Vishna Badal and she is good housewife. And he cooking very best in my house. So
Yeah, I would like to, Mr. Sunil,
yes.
I would like to ask you one question. Are you ready?
Yes sir. I am.
Yeah. What is specialty of the Tarana? Please describe these 5 sentences. What is the specialty of Tarana?
Sir, in Tarana, sir, Tarana nature.
Yeah.
Nature is very good,
Yeah.
and the people,
One
the
is
person
question also
is,
here. One
yes,
question
sir.
also.
is good and very nice person.
Yeah.
persons.
Yeah. And where are you learning English at present time?
Sir, in Ujjain Road, Nachango, in Ujjain Road.
Yeah. In Ujjain Road, Nachango.
Yes.
Yeah. How are you feeling there?
Sir, I feel very good, very fantastic.
Please describe 2, 3 sentences, 5 sentences.
Sir, the coaching friends is very good and your teaching style is very, very nice style.
Yeah.
I learned that.
Thank you. And what did you learn there?
Sir, I learn more English, more English. In my
Which kind of, first, what is going on in your English class?
sir, tense.
Tense. So anybody want to ask? So many tense verb, helping verbs and adjectivations. Are you ready for telling that?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Mr. Suren,
Yes, sir.
stand up and ask one question about tense.
May I ask any question?
Yeah. Yes.
Simple present tense. क्या identity?
Identity. Simple present.
Yeah, Mr. Suren wants to know about identity of simple present tense. Yes.
Ta hai, ti hai, te
In
hai.
English.
Now identity is in Hindi. Yeah.
Structure.
Structure. Subject.
Simple present tense.
Subject plus main verb first form plus EAS, IES plus object plus other.
Yeah. Right sentence. Yeah. Manish.
वह कल उज्जैन नहीं जाएगा. What is English sentence?
या
वह कल
उज्जैन
उज्जैन
नहीं जाएगा.
वह कल उज्जैन नहीं जाएगा. He did
No, he will not.
he will not going Ujjain.
He will not go to Ujjain.
Ujjain.
That is proper sentence, my dear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sit down. Yeah. Amin.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Simple future tense identity.
Identity. Gagi.
Yeah. Nicely. Yes.
Excuse me, may I ask question?
Yes. You are.
Can you tell me what is the structure of simple past?
Simple
Past.
past.
That
Structure.
there are two structures. Simple past.
Yeah, affirmative.
Affirmative. Subject plus main verb. Subject plus main verb. Second form plus object plus other verb.
Yeah. Rightly.
Thank you.
Yeah. What did you know about the Ujjain, Mr. Sunil?
Sir, I don't know about.
Ujjain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You go sometime there.
Yes, sir.
Ujjain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anybody wants to ask questions? Nobody want to ask questions? You want to ask questions? Yes.
May I ask a question, sir?
Yes.
What is your goal?
My goal is Indian Army.
Okay, thank you.
But why did you select this Indian Army goal?
Because I try to best for my country, India.
You want to make the best country your India?
Yes.
Oh, nicely. Nice thought. Yeah. Second is that Bihari.
Excuse me, Sunil, Mr. Sunil.
Yes.
How many members in the family?
8 members in my family.
Thank you so much.
Whenever you take something, my family said that there are 8 members in my
Yeah.
family.
There are.
Yeah, that's why. And in which school do you study at present time?
Sir, Universal Academy School.
In which class?
8th.
8th class.
Yeah.
At present time.
Yes, sir.
And next time you also study there?
Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
study there.
It means that you don't want to change your school.
Yes, sir.
आपका स्कूल आप बदलना नहीं चाहते?
No, sir.
That's the right question. Yes.
Sir. Excuse me,
Yes.
may I ask question?
Yeah.
Who is your best friend in your coaching class?
All my best.
Yeah.
And I have one more question
Yeah.
for you. Can you explain me how to use helping verb in simple past?
Simple past.
Yeah.
Use. Obviously. I, we, you, they, she. He, she, it name.
He, she, name.
He, she, it name.
Yeah. He wants to know about it.
Yeah.
Because there is one helping verb did in simple past tense.
Yes, sir.
But there are two structures there. Affirmative structure is one of and one of all. Right now.
Yeah.
So we won't use in
Affirmative.
affirmative sentence helping verb. We use only on all structures did. sentences.
Yes, sir.
Right now.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. You want to ask? Yes, Mr.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Vishal.
What are your favorite games?
What's your favorite game? He wants to know that.
My favorite game is Kho.
Your favorite game is
Kho.
Yeah, thanks.
nice. Yeah. What do you want to do for your family after got job? आप नौकरी लगने के बाद आपकी सर्विस लगने के बाद आप अपने परिवार के लिए क्या करना चाहते हैं? Please explain in English.
Sir, I will give only happiness my family.
Oh yeah, nice.
Only happiness and proud my family.
Yeah. Anybody want to tell anything else about you want to tell something?
Yes, sir.
और कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
No.
No. So guys, he told about herself and our coaching class and Tarana. So it means that इससे लगता है कि he is learning more English here. So guys, okay guys, you go there, take your place. So सुनील जैसा इंग्लिश में कन्वर्सेशन आप कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए आपको कुछ भी नहीं, सुनील भी एक समय ही ज्वाइन द क्लास, उसने भी एक क्लास ऐसे ज्वाइन किया था, बट ही इज टेलिंग समथिंग माय डियर। आज सुनील देखा जाए तो अंग्रेजी में बिल्कुल जैसे आप क्वेश्चन करेंगे उसका, आप हिंदी क्वेश्चन करेंगे उसका रिप्लाई सुनील के द्वारा इंग्लिश में जाता है। सो गाइस, एंड यू लर्न एंड यू मोस्ट वेलकम हियर।